Okay, start. Both of you. The topic is that you are from Western culture side and you are from Indian culture side. Okay, both start.
So, Yashika, what do you think about it? Western culture is good, yeah, Indian culture is good.
Obviously, Indian culture is good because I am from India. I am Indian, so that's why I support India.
Okay, but according to me, Western culture is the best. Best, some things are so good. Even their outfit, their thing.
So you're saying you don't like wearing sari
No.
or wearing suit.
I don't like that.
You don't like
No.
traditional clothes.
It's good for looking up, one time and something a new function. But in a daily way routine, I like to be wear a Western dresses.
That is so true. In daily ways, we all want to be comfortable. That's why I am also wearing, not suit and sari and all. But the thing is, what I like the most is sari and suit rather than wearing jeans top because it's our tradition. So how can you say like you like Western culture while being in India?
Of course, because time to time our thinking is changed. And
Okay, so your thinking changed.
Yeah, of course.
Like why?
Because according to me,
Hmm.
like sari and this suit type of it's looking okay, but not like that. Because in the Western outfit they are comfortable too, and everyone are adapting.
So you're just saying Western culture is best just because you like their outfit?
Not only in the outfit, their thinking level.
Okay, their thinking level. So
Yeah.
you think Indian people thinking are not good?
No, not at all. You can also think. Even you see in your
Yes.
society that some of thing like according to the village people, they think that girls education is not important. But if I talk about Western country, they are each woman are educated and they know the value of the education.
Yes, but what are you talking about is the past time. But now every parent teach their children while it's girl or boy, doesn't matter.
You are talking on average, but I see in a society, even in some of the places, they are not allowing their daughter to get study.
Who are they? Like
So,
I don't know.
hello guys, what's
Hello.
going on?
So actually we are discussing about Indian culture is best or Western culture is best.
Okay.
So what do you think?
According to me,
Oh.
Western is best.
Western is best?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you
Because
think that?
according to me, I feel so comfortable in Western clothes.
You
And
all only supporting Western just because of their clothes.
Yeah.
But do you have any other thing?
Like what?
Like anything?
Point of view of Indian.
Why do you like Western culture? Except their clothing.
Actually, their accent and their anything is so different from Indian. That's
Everything
why.
is different from India.
Yeah.
But you can see most
Do you
of the
like Indian
foreigners.
food? Yeah, I like so.
So how can you say like that?
So I only like. I'm not
But
saying.
Indian food is also so oily.
Yeah,
and
and
so
very-
sometimes it's
and
good,
heavy.
but it's not good for our health. So that's the reason. And
Indian food is not good for our health.
yeah,
You know, Western countries people doing like drinking milk with turmeric, adding turmeric in it while they're not healthy. So it's an Indian thing.
So it's not a big deal.
You know,
but we,
Why it's not a big
but
deal?
in Western they eat
Ah.
like salad and
Yeah.
every time like broccoli and many
Indian
things.
people morning started with the paratha, with the heavy paratha.
Yeah, with oil.
It's so oily and so like.
But it's
Because
healthy
it's
for
not. It's healthy for us. Yes, it's healthy for
But
us.
it's not
If
healthy
we
for
eat, salad and what is this salad and all things, so we don't like it. That's why we eat this. And you know what? Foreigner peoples also eat oily food just because of India. They started eating oily food just because of India.
So it's their point of view. They like Indian things, but we don't like.
So why? I'm asking you why you don't like it.
So why you don't like Western things?
It's
You're
not
also-
like yes, it's not like we don't like Western things, but it's just like you don't like Indian things.
No, I'm not saying that I don't like. I'm
You
just
just
comparing.
said-
If I give a chance to if I'm given level, like my first priority is in Western things. Not only the food, everything are Western things are good.
So you believe in Jesus, not God, not our, Lord
No,
Shiva,
we are not
Lord-
talking about God.
So what are
We
you?
believe
what,
in every God, you know.
what is your
Which
point
one?
of view?
My point of view is that Western culture, in their culture, their education, their thinking, their way of talking. Even I can say, even I say that in Indian culture, there are some. If you are desperate, if you are depressed, so someone if they don't support you. In
Yeah.
the Western
They
culture,
always demotivate
they
us.
in the Western country they support us. They know and they try to help us to get rid of from that problem.
No, your thinking is wrong about this. Most of the many cases are come from Western that they're depressed or all things. Even they don't even live with their parents. Children don't even live with their parents. Why?
Good na.
Why it's good?
Why? Because
They
they are
have privacy.
independent.
It's
Yeah,
privacy.
yeah, they are independent.
Because after then, every person having their right to be live there according to them.
Yeah.
Their
But
right
you
to-
know what? The parents, grow the child from, born to the 18, and then the children left their parents and
Not
got
left
separated.
them.
No, they don't laugh. They
Just like
keep-
olden house.
Yes.
Not like that.
Not like
Yeah,
It
in
is
the
a-
Western country, their parents are able. They work and they don't need to be
So you
depend
are
on
saying-
their sons and daughters.
So you are saying Indian country people not able, parents are not able.
I'm not saying that. You are taking
You
my
are-
words so wrong.
Yeah,
yeah, that's why.
What is this going on here? I have to,
I see here, like Indian people after the married, a son is after the married, they just left their parents.
Yeah.
Even I see in my real life that some of the sons they get married, they listen their new wife.
Yeah.
They forget that what their parents done for them,
Yeah.
him.
Yeah, that's true. But you know what? It's only cases about 100 out of 100. It's only to 20 to 30. But in Western country, always it's
70 to
70.
80%.
Yes.
So,
So and you know what? What is the main thing is Western country people didn't have any spice and all things. Just because of India, it's you guys, no, your
So-
country got.
actually, their culture
Spices.
is also, different.
So
from
why they
India
are
and-
getting spices? If
Yeah.
their culture is different, so why now they're
So
getting?
they are
spices?
just
Okay, if you are, let's go to another thing that political things.
Yes.
Right, you will talk about that. In a political thing, there are so many parties, but in the Western, there are only two. President level, there comes on the president things.
yeah.
Yes.
And
Sorry.
only president can rule.
But
both
it-
There are
bodies.
only two parties. The both parties is the party in there in the Indian country. There are so many parties, and they are just fighting to each other. Even I say in a daily life.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's just because India is a democratic country.
Do you think that democracy is I know I'm agree with that democracy is a good thing, but people are taking in the wrong way. I see.
You know what? I don't know much about politics because I'm a science student, so we can skip that topic.
Yeah, yeah, of
Okay.
course. I also don't know about
Yeah.
politics.
So let's come to the next topic. The next topic is no. The next topic is zero. You know who makes zero?
Yeah, Arya Bhatt.
He was Indian.
Yeah.
If he was not there, so zero was not.
Who is
in
so
country.
science? You
complicated.
know what? Who is in science? Scientist Einstein.
Einstein,
Yeah.
Albert Einstein.
You know
He
how
made-
it's say it's Einstein. You don't know about how to say it, so while you're supporting Western country.
So there is many
Okay.
any type of pronunciation we can say.
Okay.
Just understand our just.
Yeah.
Just understand our feelings. Okay, okay. I'm understanding. Okay. So Einstein also made the science which you are studying.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you
not
can't.
only
So without
Einstein.
Einstein,
You can't say
Not
that.
only Einstein. There are so many scientists from India.
Tell
who
me
invent-
something about an Indian scientist.
yeah.
Who is the who one?
Who is the Indian scientist? I just
Yeah. You are science
Okay.
student only.
Aryabhat.
Mathematics.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's in mathematics.
Okay, I don't know about Indian science.
Start.
What What were you talking about?
We are talking.
Scientists, Indian scientists.
Indian
Indian
scientists.
scientists.
Okay,
And
I
India.
don't know about Indian scientists, but there are so many Indian scientists, which made science. So that was your topic.
But in Western country, their children are so freedom. They don't need to be asked their parents' permission.
Yes, this is the wrong thing. They
Why
don't,
you think that
how-
is wrong?
They never
It's good
ask
now.
anything. No, it's not good. They never ask anything to their parents, and even they disrespect them.
No, they
They
are
don't disrespect
no,
this.
every person is not same. They
Yeah.
all have another type of thinking.
You know what? Tell me one children that disrespect their parents.
I can give
your,
you lots of examples in India.
Yeah.
give me example.
Just go with me. I see in the people like their sons are so disrespect. Even in these girls, I see them. They are.
So I don't think. I never
example?
see.
You never see.
If you have an example, like if your close ones
Yeah.
doing this, or
No,
maybe
it's
you are doing this.
No,
No,
she,
I'm not
no, we
doing
are
like
not
that.
like
Okay.
that.
We are not that
We
kind of
always do
person.
respect of our parents.
We know
and
how to
our-
respect them.
So
Okay.
we are in Western, so we can do respect to our elders. Is it wrong?
Yes.
How?
In
Because
Western
we are
countries,
Western.
people are so
So,
happy.
it's not
they live their
common.
life some happiness, but in an Indian culture, in an Indian country, every person has an anxiety. Every person they have just overthinking and the
Don't Western country people doesn't have this type
they
of
have
things?
they handle that.
How can
If
How
they
can they
handle
handle that?
their
How can a
friends,
not
their
Indian
friend
handle that?
culture, their friend circle is try to
motivate like fake
motivate
friends?
them.
Yeah. No.
They're just
fake
like fake
friends.
friends. Yes.
No.
Yes, they are.
How
Yeah.
can they fake?
How can they not?
They
So
are.
if you just
They are
say-
not.
How? If they are motivated.
Because they understand. Because every Western people, their bonding are so good.
Indian people
Culture.
bonding are not good.
I
So
see.
you don't have
that.
best friends. You just said that you have so many best friends. So your bonding is not good with them.
Yeah, of course. I'm having best friend, and my bonding isn't good. But I can see like lots of others.
What lots of other things? What is these other things? I want to know.
It's personal.
Even Western country people, drink and smoke in their teenage.
So in
And
India is also
Indian
possible.
people also they
Oh my
smoking. I see on my front
First
of my
standard
eyes.
students do.
Not first standard.
Yeah,
no
I
first
saw.
standard.
I saw.
Yeah,
That's why I'm
saw.
saying.
They're smoking.
At my
They are-
old school.
Even they don't have no license. They're driving. I see.
Yeah,
they
they,
need to drive.
between 18, so they just started to, drive the car
They are
and
just
all
learning.
things.
Yeah,
I
they
just
are
saw
learning.
yesterday. It's, but
They are learning. Hi, Priyanshi.
What's going on here?
We are just
guys.
we are just discussing about Indian culture and Western culture.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What is good?
Of course, in Western is better than Indian culture.
Yeah,
How can
she
you
also
like
say
it?
that.
She's
How can you
also
Actually,
accept that.
I'm saying this from our mouth.
I'm the same from their mouth.
Actually, you are asking from me that how can you say? So
Yeah.
I answered that.
But Nancy, you
What
are
is the
Indian,
thought
so
of
how
you?
can you say like that? I like Western
She
culture.
attend the culture of Western. That's why she's
Definitely.
telling about
Why?
it.
Because there are so many differences
Okay, tell
between
me the
cultures.
3 reasons that you don't like Indian culture.
Okay. In India, there is racial discrimination
Okay.
and caste discrimination.
Yeah, of course.
And there is also many reasons you can say.
Just give me an answer.
Yeah, she did too. I say enough.
So you
No, it's not a
just
big-
said racial discrimination. So it's not common in Western countries.
No.
No.
There is not this type
You know,
of thing.
whenever you go to like any of the countries, people say, "Oh, he's Indian. She's Indian." Every time I saw that.
So they don't have manners how to behave with others.
This
That's
is
why
called
they-
racist. This is what called racist.
But it's common in India.
Yes,
but
it is.
in,
Yes, it is.
in
But
foreign-
I'm telling you that it's not only in India. It's on
but
also
it
in
not
Western.
Western people don't aware about this so much.
Yeah, there are so many countries also. They just do same thing. Just Yashika told like that. In Australia, if there happened in 2024, I think, or 14, it happened with the Indian, guys that they are Indian, bloody Indian. So these type of thing happen in other country also.
Even in India, sir.
But
It-
it's
No,
not
famous
famous in India.
foreigner is a cup
It's
in India.
human nature, we can say. It's
Yeah.
not according to the country.
No, but
And
you
you
know,
know
whenever you saw a foreigner, you just like, wow, she's
Foreigner.
so good
We are
looking.
just in India.
very
Yes,
excited,
you
yes,
just
sir,
did
to
that.
meet them.
You did the same thing with that person who did you talk to? You did racism with them or her?
If a foreigner come in a locals area, what their people think?
Yeah.
What their people
Wow,
will talk
wow.
about?
It's a and
All
also
They
right.
will
No,
not say
no, you are
wow.
literally
They will be
wrong.
say they will be like scanner or someone
Like
Everyone's
everyone's
many
scared.
times
Yes,
they abuse
everyone's
and
scared.
also you
They
know
just want to know that how their outfit is looking and
And
how
many times
beautiful
Indian
they are or
abuse
not.
foreigners.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, but they don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Western there
Indian
is the
people
same
don't
thing. And also in Western culture, so
Continue.
most people saying black dogs to Indian. This is good.
No, I don't think they.
Maybe you
but I
don't have
didn't
knowledge.
hear about this.
You
Yes,
didn't
maybe
hear
you-
about that. We also didn't hear about like Indian is doing wrong with the foreigners.
Actually, I saw my eyes at India Gate.
Yeah.
When we was wondering there.
I also saw that in mobile phone.
And
There are a
also
lot of articles,
They
a lot
also
of
can-
things you can read about how Indians are
But
being
it may be
treated
happened
by.
once or
And
twice.
also
But
Western
it's
people-
common in India.
And also Western people feel brave to disrespect someone.
No.
Yes, you know British are
But-
ruling on India. You are also
Yeah,
Indian and
everybody
you
knows.
can. It's a good thing.
No, it's not.
No,
Of
it's
course, it's
not.
not a good
So
thing.
it's their culture.
It's not.
It's
their
not their
culture.
culture.
Yes.
So
They
do you-
came here for some reasons.
Yeah.
What
for
reasons?
gold, what for money.
Yes.
That was the
They
reason.
just want to,
Money.
they just want money. There
And
was
also
not any
they
other reason.
and they are beating old people, child, women.
No, they were not beating.
Yes,
them.
Never
they
they
are.
just don't have knowledge
They are
about
beating
our
them.
history.
Priyanshi, they
You-
did.
You
can't
have
find
you
that.
have politics,
Of course, I have.
and you don't know about that.
Actually, it's a topic of
Actually-
history.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Maybe you are doing
I don't
PhD
know.
on Western culture. That's why you don't know about India.
I'm not talking about PhD.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so that's a wonderful debate on the topic of culture, Western culture and Indian culture, and you all did well. Okay, so clap everyone for them. Okay, so wonderful.